Picture this. It's 4 p.m. and you are trapped in your own living room, listening to the exact same aggressively cheerful 3-minute YouTube Kids video for the 50th time today. You know every single word. You can anticipate every single high-pitched sound effect. Desperate to preserve your own sanity, you gently try to slide the iPad away or turn off the screen. Instantly, your toddler erupts into a frantic, tearful meltdown, begging for that exact same video to be played just one more time. As you give in, hit play, and watch their unblinking eyes lock right back onto the screen, a heavy wave of parental guilt washes over you. You ask yourself, am I turning my child into a mindless screen zombie? Is their developing brain slowly turning to mush because of this meaningless, robotic repetition? Take a deep breath and let go of that guilt right now. Your child is not being brainwashed, and they are absolutely not zoning out. Underneath that quiet, unblinking stare, their brain is actively executing a brilliant physiological masterclass. What they are actually experiencing is a highly sophisticated cognitive mechanism known as a predictive reward cascade. Before we uncover the mind-blowing neuroscience of what your toddler is actually extracting from that video, make sure to subscribe to Baby Q's Decoded right now to uncover the hidden psychology of your child's developing mind. When you confess to other parents that your child watches the same cartoon 50 times a week, you will inevitably hear the exact same terrifying myth. People will warn you that this repetition will melt their brain, stunt their intelligence, and completely destroy their creativity. But let's look at the absolute marvel of pediatric neuroscience. Right now, your toddler's brain is undergoing a violently rapid phase of growth known as synaptogenesis. During this specific window of their life, their brain is physically forming up to 1 million new neural connections every single second. This process is so incredibly intense and demanding that a toddler's brain consumes upwards of 40% of their body's entire daily energy supply, just to keep up with the structural rendering. When your toddler locks onto that repetitive video, their brain does not power down or go into standby mode. It is actively burning massive amounts of metabolic energy. They are not passively watching for entertainment. They are studying. They are aggressively downloading and organizing complex visual and auditory data to build permanent cognitive frameworks that will last them a lifetime. To understand why they desperately need this repetition, we have to look at how different their reality is from yours. As an adult, your brain has a highly developed built-in spam filter, medically known as sensory gating. You automatically ignore the hum of the refrigerator, the shadow shifting on the wall, and the sound of traffic outside. You only focus on what matters. A toddler's brain does not have this filter installed yet. Every single sensory input hits their nervous system at maximum volume. To them, the real world is a loud, exhausting, and chaotic storm of completely unpredictable data. It is overwhelming. That repetitive 3-minute video is not just a cartoon, it is a digital sanctuary. It is a pocket universe. In that contained space, the laws of physics never change. The audio is perfectly locked. For the very first time in their day, your toddler gets to feel what it is like to completely master the future. They know exactly at the 45-second mark, the red car is going to turn left. When reality perfectly matches their prediction, it gives their overloaded nervous system a profound biological sense of absolute safety and total control. But this brings us to the ultimate question. If they already know exactly what is going to happen, why does watching it again make them so incredibly, visibly happy? To understand this, we have to look at a concept known as prediction error minimization. As an adult, your brain releases dopamine, the powerful feel-good reward hormone, when you encounter something novel, surprising, and exciting. But a toddler's developing brain operates on a completely reversed reward system. Because their daily life is already overwhelmingly unpredictable, they do not get dopamine from surprises. They get a massive, triumphant hit of dopamine from prediction success. Every single time that animated character appears exactly when they expected it to, their brain is flooded with a euphoric chemical reward. But why do they need to watch it exactly 50 times? This is where the actual biological physics of learning comes in. When a specific neural pathway is used repeatedly, the brain begins to secrete a fatty, insulating substance called myelin. This myelin wraps tightly around the neuron, upgrading it from a slow, fragile dirt road into a lightning-fast neural superhighway. It literally increases the transmission speed of that electrical signal by up to 100 times. By demanding to watch that video over and over again, your child is actively myelinating those specific circuits. They are quite literally pressing the Save as Permanent button on their biological hard drive. Here is the most mind-bending part of this entire process. Your child is not actually watching the same video 50 times. To their rapidly adapting brain, the experience completely transforms and deepens with every single viewing. They are moving through intense data extraction phases. Views 1 through 10 are simply about basic orientation. They are just trying to understand the fundamental plot and recognize the core geometric shapes on the screen. Views 11 through 30 shift into an intense auditory extraction phase. They are no longer focused on the plot. They are actively pulling complex vocabulary and grammatical structures out of the dialogue. But by views 31 through 50, something extraordinary happens. Their mirror neuron system, the biological foundation of empathy that fires when observing others, activates at maximum capacity. They are meticulously studying the characters' facial expressions, the micro-movements of their eyes, and the exact shape of their mouths when they speak. They are literally downloading the required software for human social communication. To your toddler, that 50th view offers a completely different, infinitely more complex perspective than the very first view. While replaying an entire video is a magnificent and healthy developmental milestone, we must always discuss the vital medical differentiator. When does repetition cross the line into a clinical red flag? If your child is not watching the full narrative of the video, but instead obsessively rewinds and replays only a tiny 2-second fragment, like a single animated wheel spinning or a repetitive flash of light, for hours on end, you need to pay very close attention. If this rigid, mechanical repetition is combined with consistently reduced or absent gaze behavior, meaning they completely avoid eye contact with you, and they never engage in social referencing to share their joy or check your emotional reaction, it is a highly specific early indicator associated with atypical social development. The brain's plasticity in the first 2 years of life is absolutely critical, and it is never that high again. If you notice these combined signs, it is time to have a proactive conversation with your pediatrician, because early intervention produces results that simply cannot be replicated later. So, the next time you find yourself gritting your teeth, forced to listen to the exact same Baby Shark theme song for the 50th time on a random Tuesday afternoon, take a deep breath and let it go. Do not feel guilty. You are not creating a mindless screen zombie. You are providing the exact necessary environment for a brilliant, developing mind to build the neural superhighways that will carry them through the rest of their lives. And if you want to understand why your sweet toddler suddenly starts screaming, "No!" to absolutely everything, even saying no to the exact flavor of ice cream they desperately wanted just 5 seconds ago? It is not stubbornness. It is not defiance. You are witnessing a profound, evolutionary psychological milestone: the birth of the ego. That is the next video, and the science behind it will change how you parent forever.